Hi everyone, welcome to another video where I'm going to teach you these teeny components. This is not ceramic capacitors, this is SMD inductors. And I know that you tested wrong, my friend. We don't test SMD inductors using the continuity option. We use the on mode. In this one, for example, we get continuity, but it's failed. That's why, guys, you have to pay attention to SMD inductor. So I'm going to teach you how to test it using the multimeter. I'm going also to teach you how to replace it if it is failed, because those inductors doesn't have any value or reference here above it, like those. For example, for this one we have 1R0, means this is 1.0 ohm. This one, for example, we have 2R2, this is 2.2 ohm, because always R, this is a decimal number, means we have 2.2 ohm. This one here we have R36, means this is 0.36 ohm, means 0.36 ohm. This one here we have 4R7, means 4.7 ohm. Let's check this one to understand. Here we have R4R.7, and here we have 2R2, means we will find here 2.2 ohm, and here we will find 4.7 ohm. Guys, let's check these two inductors, because I get a lot of question and comment about this kind of inductors, and then go ahead and dive into these smaller ones. So welcome to the episode number 12, where you're gonna master SMD inductors testing. So guys, thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, share the video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos, because our challenge is to test over 1000 components, different components, in a daily basis. Every day I'm going to upload a new video where I will test a different component. So please, to reach this challenge, to reach 1000 different components, I need your likes, your shares, and please, as I told you, if you want to thank me, the best way to say to me thank you is by liking and sharing the video. So let's begin with this one, guys. We have here 4R7, means we have to find 4.7. Let's check, as you can see in the multimeter. Now let's check this one, my friend. We have here 2R2. We should find about 2R2, as you can see, 2.3. Nice, 0.2. Amazing. This one is failed. If we check it, we will not get here any reading. We will get up line. So let's check. Look, my friend, one probe here, another probe here. Do you see? Nothing in the multimeter. Nothing. Even if I use the continuity option, look, and recheck, do you see? Nothing. We have upline. So this one is bad. So you have to change it with another inductor with the same reference. We have 1R0, means 1.0 ohm. So now, guys, after understanding the bigger inductors, those right now will be very easy for you, and this is my purpose by beginning to explain to you those inductors in order to understand very well the smaller ones. So those also we tested using the same working principle as big inductors, but those we didn't have here any value. So in order, for example, if you find this one is failed, you have to use another one. Of course, you have many choices. If you have the schematic, you will find its value in microhenries. But if you didn't have the schematic or the board view, you have just to use another one from a donor board with the same color and same size. Those three, for example, are same. But if you pay attention, those are smaller in terms of size with the same color. So if you have this one is bad, for example, you can go to another motherboard and use another one with the same color, same size. But those also, you have to use other one with the same color and same size. But in terms of testing, the same. You can use just the home option and test it. Let's test it right now. So let's put one probe here, guys. Another one here. You see, we get 0 using the continuity. 0. But the problem here, my friends, is that the continuity doesn't show 100% if the inductor is good or not, because the inductor has a resistance about 0.2 ohm. That's why we should use the ohm option to be sure, because all inductors will give you the buzzer using the continuity option, but it could be fail if it is less than 1 ohm, for example. So let's check the same inductor using the ohm option. Okay, one probe here, another one here. We get about 2.1, good, about 2 ohm. So this inductor is good one. But if you get less or you get 0, means it's failed, even if the continuity is good, but the right test is using the ohm option. So guys, for beginner, of course, the inductor is a passive component that stores energy in a magnetic field when current flows through it. So they are small but powerful, crucial for filtering voltage regulation and power delivery. And please remember, ASIM inductors often look like square or rectangular black or gray blocks, sometimes marked with numbers like 100, 470, 1R0, 2R0, 4R7, and of course R is a decimal point. And to test an inductor with multimeter, first you have to do a visual check to find any burn marks, broken solder, discoloration, etc. So a healthy ASIM inductor should show very low resistance, near 0.1 to a few ohms, depending on size. So guys, good inductor should show 0.3 ohm or less. Bad inductor, you will get up loop or very high resistance. So using continuity test, use beep mode to check if current can pass. Good for quick in-circuit checks. But this test, continuity test, doesn't tell you exact inductance, just whether the inductor is still electrically connected or not. So guys, here is some common mistakes testing in circuit without isolating. Mistaking inductors for capacitors or resistors, expecting accurate inductance with a basic multimeter, ignoring size with value correlation. Bigger doesn't always mean higher inductance. And here is some pro tips. Use an LCR meter if you want to accurate inductance. Check datasheets for marking if readable. Keep a known good board for comparison. Always test with power disconnected. So guys, thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, share the video, and stay tuned for upcoming videos, because our challenge is to test over 1000 different components in a daily basis. Every day I'm going to upload a new video where I will test a different component. So please, to reach this challenge, to reach 1000 different components, I need your likes, your shares, your motivation. And please, as I told you, if you want to thank me, the best way to say to me thank you is by liking and sharing the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and see you with another component.